What happens when you try to trade an account from $100 for a week? I tried this and you'll be shocked with the results I got. Welcome back everybody to Manifest World School. This is Moses Crypto with you again. Now watch this video till the end, and I know 40% of you are not subscribed to this channel, so make sure you subscribe, like, because a lot of cool content awaits you. Let's go. As you can see, I have already entered this trade. This is a 1 hour time frame, and you can see massive red candles. I want to ride those candles all the way down. So I am already placing these trades here, and let me first place them. Now you can see on the 15 minutes time frame, you can see this trend has been continuing. It has gone a little up and it's coming down. So let me show you here. I also found a trade in Bitcoin and I don't want it to leave me. So let me also place that trade, and I'll be explaining to you in a few minutes why I placed that trade. So I am using here around 0.1. Why? Because Bitcoin is quite big. So you have to be very careful with it. So I'll place a few trades here and I will show you how this will go. Let me first do it here. You can see that Bitcoin is already starting to move. I anticipate it to move all the way down. Why am I placing this trade? The reason is very simple, and I'm going to continue here to be showing you. You can see that this has been a downtrend, moving down like this, all the way down, all the way down. At first, we first formed a lower low. And once we formed a lower low here, it created what we call a shift in market structure. And that shift in market structure left what we call a supply zone up there. Now, what you should know about coins, actually, cryptocurrencies altogether, they create massive supply zones up there, which they come to revisit and later go back down. So in this case, you can see a massive supply zone up there was created. Now, this second movement which came up, the market came to revisit it, and once it hit it, it went back again immediately. So that was what I'm taking advantage of. Right now, you can see that the market is resuming, and I'm placing already more trades because I know I am very confident that this market is going to move. And that is where it comes out of. Once you are confident in your analysis, the rest is left for you. So let me place a few more trades here and let's see, because I want to make as much money as possible in this market and get out. Literally become invisible. So as you can see, I'm going to place a few trades here. Let me first finish here very fast, very fast. You can see I have already placed these trades and the market is already taking off. You can see the market is already taking off. I am only looking for one target. One strategy I am using to take this account to $1,000 is very simple. I take it from 100 to around $250 and I'm done for the day. Don't get greedy. That's why I said within a week. So from $250, sometimes it may be more. I'm dealing with a few trades here because I see I may need to close some of them which are already making money. But look, my target is to reach $250, and once I am at 250, maybe 270, it doesn't have necessarily need to be 250. So once I am at 250, I am out and I'm waiting for the next day. The next day comes, I look for another option like this. I look for another opportunity like this. This time, I'll be doubling the account from around 250 to maybe around 500, right? But sometimes it may not happen. Sometimes you may end at 400. Small steps, right? And then on the next day, that is when I will take that account from around 400 or 500 to 800 or 1000. So very small steps like that can lead you there. And that is what I'm going to be using. Watch carefully. I'm showing you here these trades, and I'm going to leave this for you to continue working out till this trade works out. So make sure you watch till the end. I am trying to close off a few trades here. As you can see, we are very soon approaching my target. And yeah, let me just wait a little. Maybe we can reach 250 and even beyond. But let me see how much we can make from this. And I think we shall end there. Because, yeah, from where I see, we've made enough. We've made enough because our target was around 250, but it's just a little remaining. Why not settle with that? So let me see. Maybe I can hold on for a little longer to go and hit that target. Let's see. All right, I've just closed all the trades. We are finally around $217, and I think I will end there for today. Let me see tomorrow what we get, and we shall see. So that wasn't very difficult. It was very simple, but what helped me today is very simple. You have a small target. If you're coming from 100, don't think you can take $100 to $1,000 in just one move. Have smaller targets, micro targets. From 100, let's say to 200 or 250, then from 250 maybe to 400, and then from 400 to 800. From there, you can easily reach 1,000. That is the kind of strategy I use, and it's been working for me. So I'll be back to show you how I can take it from around 217 to I don't know how much, but let's see where we shall reach. My target maximum is 400 plus minus. So if we reach 400 or maybe 350, I think I'll be good to go and call it another day. So that is it. All right, guys, we have ended today with a very good profit. We started the day with around $100. And as you can see, we are ending the day with around $371. That is a very good start. And one thing you should know about trading, do not be greedy. So 300, well, how much? 370, almost $400. Well done for today. Tomorrow we are going to try to check this account to around $600. And once we reach $600 tomorrow, that is good. Then on the next day, we shall be taking it from 600 to around $1,000. So let's see what we shall get for tomorrow. So you just saw how I turned $100 to over $1,000 within just a week. You can see that you don't need a lot of capital to start trading and making money from crypto. And I can teach you this. That is what we do here at Manifest World School. We have a lot of useful content here on our channel. We have podcasts, we have videos, explanatory videos on how things work, how cryptocurrencies work, and what coins are hot right now. So go ahead and subscribe, check out all our channels, and make sure you get in touch with us. I'll be able to teach you how to do this. All links are right below in the description. See you soon on the next video.